Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set or change the live translate other person's language on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then scroll down at the top and in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Advanced Features, then tap on Advanced Intelligence. Next, tap on Phone, then we scroll down to the Other Person section and then tap on Language. In here, you can set a default language for the other person. So you got Italian, Japanese, Korean, Vietnamese here. If you want to download more languages, you can go down the list and select a language that you want to use. And that's it. That is how you can change the other person's language. If during the call, so here, let's say I'm going to be in a call. Okay, so during the live translate call, if you want to change that person's language, you can do so at the top here. So you go to other person, then tap on the drop down. And from the language drop down, you can change to a different language. And that's it. So you can change the language during the call, or you can change it in settings. And when you change it in settings, it will be by default will set to that language. So in Advanced Features. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.